Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you all? I hope you had a wonderful evening. And it is the weekend. Well, it's Friday. Might as well say it's the weekend, right? So I just wanted to thank you all for such a huge turnout for the Christmas in July fairies giveaway. Oh my goodness, what a huge response. Thank you so much for that. That's just fabulous. I'm so excited about it. I can't even enter because I'm a fairy. But anyway, it's okay. I'm excited for you guys. Okay, so I wanted to mention about my crochet tutorial that I'm working on. I didn't get to work on it yesterday, but it is going to be out next week. So watch for that. Something that, yeah, I'm designing. I had a little bit of trouble with it. I was sitting on the couch last night and I was like, how am I going to do this? I did all this, and how am I going to do this? Because I got to add this to that. And you know, but I figured it out. Actually, this morning I figured it out. Sometimes you just got to sleep on it, right? Okay, so I want to shout out a channel, and you may already know her because she is also a fairy. The channel name is Keto, Marny, the Keto Crocheter. She crochets. No, really, yeah. And she has cooking videos, food videos. She does Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar General hauls, Michael hauls, and Hobby Lobby hauls. And we don't have Hobby Lobby in Canada, so I'm kind of jealous about that. Anyway, so yeah. And that's all I have to say today. And other than have a fantastic weekend, everyone. See you next week. All right, bye-bye.